Next, Mrs. Saurabh Raikanirkar will be addressed by Mrs. Karkanis.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, congratulations to all PDN, and double congratulations to Saurabh because he is having his birthday today. So happy birthday. So instead of reciting your birthday song for you, I'm going to read a 4-minute graduation speech with some amazing gifts over here. So you've been working on designing the CITS architecture and services for North Brabant. So let me give you a little bit context of this project. We all know that year by year, vehicles on the roads increasing significantly. In fact, in Netherlands itself only, there are more cyclists than the vehicle drivers. Now, with all these vehicles, cyclists, pedestrians, etc., significant accidents and failures are also increasing. So with all these challenges laying ahead of us, how we can create a smart city by improving road safety, traffic efficiency, comfort of driving, by helping the driver to navigate properly with the right decisions, etc. And with all this, EU has taken an initiative through C-Mobile project to address these concerns. It's a large-scale demonstration project involving 37 partners, including TUE as one of it, spanning from 2017 to 2020. Among this, North Brabant is one of the region which is currently looking into safety-related concerns for cyclists, pedestrians, seamless traffic, etc., for which you were assigned to design the system-level architecture and demonstrating one of the safety service. When you became a part of the project was at a really high time bound with strict deadlines. Hence, time was a luxury you couldn't afford. The challenge had just begun for you, but you were quite impressive in grasping and learning the CITS domain very quickly. You managed to handle not only the technical aspect of the project, but also exhibited and excelled in other skills such as communicating with architects every week, involved in the brainstorming sessions with other experts of the project, with stakeholders, and of course working independently, etc. Your contributions to this project were quite significant. First, the system-level architecture results were already published by European Union. Second, demonstration on one of the safety service at the Helmond pilot site. And as you are aware, these results are already considered and will be extended further to improvise the CITS safety in North Brabant and other European cities, regions. Third, your involvement in project meetings across different countries and in Europe, because of course we were having a lot of meetings across all the cities. And especially for the ITS World Congress 2018 in Copenhagen, I remember during this event you were supposed to be fully focused on writing your report, but still you willingly agreed to be available for this event, and you maintain your high energy level during this demonstration. I really appreciate it, and keep up that zinc in future also. Last but not the least, I'm really glad that you were one of the part of the author for CITS reference architecture, along with me and Professor Mark van den Brand, which was been published by IEEE in 2018. And I will conclude here by saying that your presence will be definitely missed by not just me, but the other team folks of the project as well. I believe you learned some lessons and gained certain experience which will help you to excel in your career. I thank you for being the part of this project journey and wish you good luck for your future endeavors. Thank you.